Basic template of the layout. For understanding the HTML, first I understand what is the template of the HTML. So I'll tell you what is document. Document, the whole document of the HTML. HTML using for connecting the HTML to the web. And this language means what type of language you use. I will tell you after some time. Head is the heading of the HTML. On this heading, meta is the some information collecting on the head file. Those are the password or hiding data, CSS data, JavaScript data, Bootstrap data. Those data collected in a head file, and on this head file some title we will make. This title is my first web page. Okay, or we can create here HTML is there, HTML is there, head is there, head is there, body is there, body is there, title is there, title is there. On this title tag we make a title here, and body we make a body. Body is in the sense we when we write a letter, that time we make a body, means what we tell to our other person. These are the body. Body means we write something. Web based content goes here. Okay, and this P, I will tell you what is P is the sense paragraph. You will see that all are open tag and also close tag, open tag, close tag, open tag, close tag, title, open tag, close tag. So why meta is the open tag but not close tag? I will tell you, this is the inline tag, and head, title, body, P means paragraph, those are the block level tag. I will tell you what is block level tag and inline tag. So I will go now HTML text editor. On this lecture I will tell you some shortcut key use here. I'll think you will help here for making a web page or making to solve this lecture. You create a folder in your desktop. So I will create a folder that is front and or front hyphen or underscore. Front end is okay, no problem. Front end, enter. On this front end we make a text editor, means a new file. I will create here. Why? Because for understanding, that is the text file, right? On this text file we will make a web page. For use for first doc type. You saw that it is one open braces and also close braces. On HTML, enter head, and you see that here is no one you help you, only notepad you write. This is the platform you write and you also solve. That's why I tell you first understand, then you use any text editor. If you first use text editor, then you will did not understand what I use of that. Lecture is I think is take lots of time, but you understand lots of things here. That's why it is a long time. Tags have open braces and close braces, and why I use tab, this is called indent in the basic means features of HTML. If you're not making indent, then you don't understand further what I use HTML. Where I use some means hodgepodge is there. So I use a H1 here, H1 in the sense making heading file is bigger. That is my first web page. Save it. Where I save? On my front-end file, and this is called web.htm. Here I use, you saw that HTML I use. Why HTML? You can first understand what is HTML is working or not, then I understand HTML. So how you create, means how you saw, go to the file and right click here, open with Google Chrome. You saw that HTML is working, and that is the URL of our document, and that is the title of our document, and it is the body of our document. You for understanding, right click here, inspect here, and if you go to HTML, why use blue circle? That is our HTML, that is our no head file, that is head file, but on this title no blue circle is coming because it is the upside of URL. And on this body, my first web. Why blue circle? Because it's on the body. So H1, if we want to change here, or no problem. So use understand how you use HTML. So HTML also use, and now I changing now. So we create my first web page, means normal HTML page.